I don't know about you guys, but I just love driving around in this truck just to go out and enjoy the day. Midday, it's about 140. It's 90 degrees outside, so it's super hot. And the good thing is this is the last semester of school before I graduate. Super exciting. I know that the school is going to be a lot more dead and a lot less hectic. As you can see on the roads aren't even that bad right now. But what is this, dude? What is going on here? He rolled his fenders. Oh my god. But it's a right wheel drive, as you guys can see right here. I don't know if you can see. Unreal. Some people are just, I don't understand. And here's a Genesis. This guy actually lives in my complex. I actually just saw him as I was leaving, basically. But yeah, you'll see a ton of people in their vehicles. There's all kinds of cars enthusiasts. Some people are just terrible at it, but you know, some people do it right. I'd say this guy's it's okay. I mean, it's not my taste, but I can see where he's going with it. Okay, let's find a nice quiet spot right over here. This empty parking lot. And we'll just park diagonal like this, as I always do. What's going on, everybody? Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick video on 3 free mods that you can do to your truck. These are 3 things that I came up with that is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for them. This is actually a way to enhance the look of your vehicle and actually the performance just a little bit, but just a quick idea if you want to do something like that to your vehicle. But before we do that and jump into the video, just leave a like and a comment, subscribe. I post new videos every single week, and let's jump right into it. So as you guys saw in the one of my first videos, I talked about this air dam removal right here. A lot of the F-150s come with a air dam, depending on which you have. Like, let's say, for example, if you have 4-wheel drive, it's going to have a smaller air dam. If you have a 2-wheel drive, it's going to be a lot longer. Basically what it's for is to get better fuel economy, so there's less drag and the air can go right under the vehicle. But I took it off because it actually made my truck look a little taller, and this is actually a free mod that you can do. So basically what happens is there are basically just bolts, and they're like 8mm bolts. There's like probably like 8 or 9 of them, and you're able to just take them off and take the whole air dam off. I have a video of that. It's like one of my second videos about the truck that I made, or I think it's like the 3rd video or something like that. It was like one of the first things I did to the truck was just take it off, and it actually made the truck look a lot cooler and a lot taller. Because as you guys saw, like some trucks, the air dam is so low, it looks like it can scrape the vehicle. I don't know why they make them so low, but I know on the 4-wheel drives they're not as low as the 2-wheel drives. But that's the first thing that you can do to your truck, is just take that off. It just makes it look so much better, so much cleaner. Yeah, you are gonna get a little bit less fuel economy, but honestly, I can't even really tell the difference. All right, number 2, what you can do is you can actually debadge some of the things on the vehicle. So I know, for example, a lot of people have the EcoBoost emblem right here. They take that off. A lot of people will take the sticker off and just have a nice cleaner look. I personally like the sticker on it since it is a 4-wheel drive, and I kind of want to represent that as a 4-wheel drive. But a lot of people will take their stickers off if it says like Sport or 4x4 or STX or whatever it is. They'll take it off. Some people like the clean look of no stickers, no bumper stickers. I understand that. And then some people will take the EcoBoost sticker off here, or the little badge. I've seen people do that, and it just makes the truck look a lot more clean and a lot more less busy. So that's something you can do. I know, like, you know, some people do that. I personally decided that I didn't like the STX sticker, but I did like the 4-wheel drive sticker, so went ahead and just put a different one on, and I thought it made it look a lot better. But when I took it off, I was like, it looks kind of boring. So I do like the little sticker, just like a little hint of, you know, that, oh yeah, you're looking for. But that's the second one right there. So basically we had the air dam removal, and now we have the debadging of the stickers or the emblem and stuff like that. So those are the 2 appearance things that you can do for free. The last thing that you can do actually is you can remove your spare tire. I still have my spare tire, but if you are somebody that doesn't, you know, need a spare, or you have a AAA that gives you full coverage, or you have a fix-a-flat in your truck or anything like that, and just want to take it off because, if you know, they're pretty heavy. They're 30 pounds or something like that, so you can actually save some weight by just taking off the spare tire. Also, if you have a lifted truck, there's no need to have a spare tire because that tire wouldn't even fit on your truck since your tires and wheels are way bigger than the spare, so that'd be another reason to take it off. So actually, when I get my truck lifted, there's gonna be no need to have a spare under there because it's not even gonna be able to fit. And I have full coverage through AAA to do a free tow anyways if I needed it to be anywhere. So like I said, that's another reason or another thing that you can do to, you know, save weight or a free mod that you want to do. So air dam removal, all the stickers and badges, and then go ahead and take the spare tire off. Those are the 3 things that you can do to your truck. Like I said, the air dam and the stickers, emblems will give you more aesthetically pleasing, and then the spare tire would actually give you a little bit better performance, fuel economy, since you're saving weight. I know it is only it is only 30 pounds or 25 or how much whatever it is, but you know, all those pounds and they add up. So but yeah, I know the truck weighs like 7,000 pounds and only taking 30 pounds is not gonna do anything. But like I said, you can also sell it, get like 50 bucks out of it if you, like I said, you don't need it, or your truck is lifted and you can't use it, or you just want to save weight. So there you guys have it. Those are the top free mods that I came up with, my opinion, that you can do to your truck. Some people just, like I said, super easy stuff too. I mean, the air dam, like 8 bolts, take the stickers off, do that with your hands. The spare tire, there's a little key on the back, you just pull it, take the spare tire down. So those are the 3 things that you can do to your truck that you probably didn't even know about. But other than that, that's basically all for this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I post new videos every single week on the channel. And tell me about your builds. Tell me about your trucks. I kind of want to see them. I want you to talk about them. I love responding to all my subscribers. We're actually getting a lot of traction lately with subscribers and views, which is awesome. And we're passing a big milestone. And hopefully we'll just keep the channel growing and just keep making new videos for you guys. So other than that, see you on the next video. Peace.